Good morning, people from all around the world. Guys, we are in Kuta today, in Kuta
Yo,
Beach.
what's up? Okay, so in the morning we normally, walk, stroll in Sanur Beach, but today we decided to go to Kuta and see how is Kuta in the morning.
And actually, Kuta Beach in the morning is beautiful. I could say it's even better experience than sunset time. And maybe many of you don't know, but Kuta Beach at morning is famous for surfing. And there are beautiful waves today. And the Kuta Beach, since early morning, it's about actually 9 o'clock, but let's say early morning for me, already the warungs are open. So you can buy yourself coconut or bintang if it's not too early for you. And they are also some people on the beach. It's really
And
not
also
that bad.
the surfing, what is it called? Rental? Surf rental. You see that in the morning already open.
Yes.
And like the ladies who sell you, what is it called? Bracelet, sell you souvenirs. They even already open their business starting from the morning.
So that's good. Yes, we know. Hello. Yo, what's up, brother?
How are you?
Still good, still good. Happy people. And meanwhile, I'm gonna quickly show you a little bit shot of the Kuta Beach at the morning. Was the lovely waves, but currently the waves are smaller, but they are coming now. Woo. Beautiful waves and beautiful vibes.
Ampun Bu,
We
sama.
already went. This is actually the entrance to the Kuta Beach, the main gate, what I always show you from the street. And there is already so many warungs and surf schools open, and there are some tourists around even. And one more shot of the beautiful ocean since the morning.
All right, so this is the Kuta Beach Sea Turtle Conservation Area. I think that this is closed, but behind the building is a Grand Ina Kuta. I know that some of you also used to stay in Grand Ina Kuta. I think Grand Ina Kuta is open.
There are ladies selling the sarongs and the kids walking around, surfboards already ready. And here is the Grand Ina Hotel, and it actually seems to be some local tourists, domestic tourists inside. Since morning they're having breakfast next to the pool. And I could say as the vibes are definitely much more alive than a few weeks ago here. Here is the traditional market, an art market in Kuta, next to the Kuta Beach. And here used to be legendary Anchor Bar, Rasa Sayang, but doesn't look that optimistic here today. And yeah, that's how it looks, the area of market. I never had an opportunity to be here inside this bar, but I know many of you used to be here, so comment below how it was there. Here is the building for sale if you wanna buy the shop. But
All right, so when I walk here, I feel like a different, different energy or something like that. So yeah, it's very spooky place. Okay, let's go now there.
here supposed to be some hostel, I think, but this one is actually pretty nice. So this is the corner of Kuta Square, the market, at the entrance to the Kuta Beach parking and market. And here was the street with so many restaurants. Unfortunately, all of them they are closed, and we are heading now into famous Ramayana Hotel. Ladies and gents, Ramayana Hotel, and seems open. There is the small sign, we are open, so here we go. However, the small warungs here, what's selling the merchandises and massages and stuff like this, unfortunately they are all literally all closed.
All right, so behind me the famous Kuta Point. Kuta Point is just like the small, mall? Seems like it's just left abandoned, like there are many shops inside.
Doesn't look that much optimistic here, but yeah, that's what it looks like. We're having a walk, and here is the temple. Beautiful temple. Walking on this street. What's the name of the street actually, sir?
Jalan Bakung Sari.
Bakung Sari, and this area is famous for the low budget accommodations, hotels, guest houses, so many warungs selling a lot of merchandise, massage shops like this one, and normal traditional massage and different massage restaurants, warungs, and many other things what you could find in Kuta. However, in current situation it's not that not that busy, right?
Yeah, so this area is famous for 3-star, 2-star, or hotel, something like that. So like this one, for example.
Yeah, but it's the contractor. Quick point of view of the street, and here is this building for rent, the contractor. And here even Circle K is out of business, and you have to be careful. It was rainy this morning. Don't wanna get wet. We forgot to mention, as this area is famous for the cheap tattoo shops. There's actually plenty around. Unfortunately, most of them they are not. Yeah, most of them they are closed, like this one, and many more. Like a small tattoo shop, what you would like to make a small tat for the very affordable price. This area is great for you.
All right, so now let's go to the small lane in the famous Jalan Bakung Sari. Seems like busy, and let's see how it is inside.
We will see how is it inside. Gang Biduri, if you're interested, and we will see what is on the small street like this. The all small street in the cities in Kuta Legian, it's called Gang. If you just, in case not familiar.
Yeah, I think that
peaceful.
this small alley or gang is also famous for the 2-star, 3 stars hotel, cheap warungs that is, you know, like different price from the hotel, you know, like this one. The hotel, I don't know, the hotel seems closed or open. So yeah, let's keep walking.
And here, for example, is some guest house, the Gadu, something. It is open, looks like this. There are some rooms, and there is the reception guy is open, and you can even park the car if you want. Me, I am Bakso. Here is even small clinic if you get any problem, injury, or it was. I'm not sure if it's open. Anyway, and here is the another warung makan nikmat. This is actually the place what was requested by our mate Mick. Yes, Mick?
Hi Mick, this is
for
your favorite warung in Kuta, and this is how it is. Open, so let's see.
It's open, and even some fellas having a food breakfast, and that's how it looks like. And this is already the Tuban area, if I'm not mistaken. This is, I think, it's already Tuban, but you can correct me if I'm wrong. And also, our mate Mick is our graphic designer, by the way. If you don't know him, he used to stay in this hotel always. So this is for you, mate. And this is already Tuban. I'm not sure if the hotel is open, and there is some loud speaking, something, I don't know.
So I decided to have a morning breakfast, and all looks so tempting.
The food here looks really nice, and this lovely lady selling. And you can have also noodle. Many nice things.
All right, it's kind of a big breakfast, but yeah, it's so tempting. This one only 14K. Omelette, rice, and then tempe, sambal. Ooh la la. Matchmaker. All right, so I'm in Kuta. This is Mick's favorite place. So yeah, we got a special request from Mick, and we met Alex today. Finally, do you want to say something, Alex?
Hello, brother. How are you? Hope everything is good there. Thank you very much for everything. This is your favorite warung in Bali, and then I meet your friend. He is very, very nice person, and then I hope you can come back to Bali soon, brother. We miss you a lot. Thank you very much for everything. Alright.
Alright guys, so it's already hot in Kuta actually. Always hot in Bali, nothing has changed. We don't have a 4th season, so don't worry, never will be snow here. Serious question, somebody asked me about that, if it's ever winter here, like a proper winter. Never. Meanwhile, you can always enjoy Coke or Bintang, but I think it's too early for Bintang, so just Coke. It's just like a 9:30 a.m. or something like that.
No, it's already 10.
Oh,
And then I already had
okay.
my breakfast, and I feel like I need to have a fizzy drink. So yeah, this is how life in Kuta. We were in Jalan Bakung Sari, and we went to the small lane and showing you how it is, the life there. And yeah, right, so I think that's all our video today from Kuta. Thanks for watching, and
See you tomorrow.
tomorrow.
See ya. Take care.
Bye.